Hello, I am Cheyenne, a travel social worker, and my contract is slowly coming to an end, so I'm taking the weekends to do day trips, and today we're going to Pueblo of Jemez. Let's go. So this ride took about an hour from Albuquerque, and as you pull in, you'll see the beautiful red rocks to your right, and let me tell you, those views were gorgeous. After taking in the beautiful views of the Red Rocks, I would go over to the visiting center, which is right across the street. And in the center, they show a lot of artisans and small business owners. That includes pottery, jewelry, fine arts, and they also have a map available. I finally made it to the Jemez historic site. As you enter, I definitely recommend watching the 10-minute presentation to get a better understanding of the culture and their history. This is the church. The church is temporarily closed, but this was built by the men and women at the church. So as you can see, there's no one here. There's one other couple who's here with their dog, but that's about it. And it's Sunday. I don't know if we can go in. I don't think I want to go in though. I guess you can go in. Wow. Sacred. This is the Soda Dam Hot Springs, located right off the main road with easy access. As you can see my car at the top of the screen. No fees to visit. It's very beautiful. I definitely recommend to stop by and take in the views. Although it's beautiful, I do not recommend swimming, but it's the perfect pit stop.